Genuinely, where are we? I think this is not the right way. You ain't catching me, buddy! Stupid dog! If you wanna build your dream scooter, I've got links and discount codes to every scooter and part I would actually use on strikers.com. Link in the description. Yeah, this tire is kinda cooked. Yeah, I'm gonna change it with a street tire. Oh yeah. So first of all, I'm gonna take the motor off. Now I gotta split the rim, but in order to do that, you'll have to first make sure to deflate the tire. Because if you split the rim while the tire is still has air inside, there's a chance you're gonna crack the rim. That's out. Oh no, why? Look, I have to take the whole thing apart. Oh my days. I love my job. Look what I have to do, because KuKirin... Well, why did they make it like this? I have to take the whole thing apart just to change a tire. All this because KuKirin thought it's a good idea to put the motor cable on that side. The motor is out. Now I have to actually change the tire. This is the rim. This thing will crack if you don't deflate the tire before opening these screws. Look at the motor. So small. So this is the old tube. I have to patch it. This is the old tire. There's garbage right here. This little hole right here. Look at that. Okay, let's patch it. I have to make this area smooth. So let's use some sandpaper on it. The crazy thing is that I've had this tire since I first got the scooter. This tire is OG. It's the tire the scooter originally came with. Well, now I'll have two different tires. Yeah, this looks about good enough. So the tube is ready for patching. Now I have to stick this tire glue on it, or however it's called. Yeah, now I gotta wait about 15 minutes for it to dry. It's been around 15 minutes. It's time to patch it. This goes on the tube, something like this. Yep, I'm gonna clamp it. I'm gonna keep it like this for like another 15 minutes. Let's see. Oh, that's on there. Oh yeah, this thing is fused with the tube. Alright, let's inflate it and see if it holds. Seems like it holds. All good. Let's put it in. So this just goes in here. Make sure the tire is in the right orientation. This looks good. Just make sure it's on there. Let's put some air in it. Seems good enough. Feels pretty solid. Let's put it back on the scooter. The motor is connected. We just zip tie it. Let's put the box back together. Alright, I'm gonna put the cable protectors back on. It's pretty much done. Oh, whoa, I have to tighten these. Yep, that's on there. But this tire looks so small. I think I'm gonna take it for a spin. I'm telling you, if I hear the slightest odd noise, I'm dropping the hammer. It's not the greatest time to have a dual tone, bro. Yeah, it's loud. My scooter is dead silent. Genuinely, where are we? I never seen this area before. Let's find a way out. No Google Maps. I genuinely don't know where I am. It's like the middle of the night, bro. I don't know where I am. You know, I love the fact that I genuinely got a cold and I'm dying, but I'm still going outside despite it being like 10 degrees. Bro, it's full throttle. I'm like, let's say like 30% throttle. Bro, the G2 Master is just too fast. Oh, okay, buddy. Okay, buddy. If we keep going, we're genuinely exiting the city. I think this is not the right way. Okay, so if we keep going forward, we should be good, right? Well, my battery is almost full. Your battery is like less than half. My battery is like at more than 70% right now. Oh man, this is the perfect road to go full throttle. My finger is itching, I kinda want to push it. This has neck snapping torque, bro. Check this out. Woo! This scooter is amazing. These cells are absolutely mad, bro. These BAK cells are mad. My scooter pulls like a rocket. Check this out. And this is half of what the battery can do. Oh my days, bro. So this is supposedly a construction site. Where is the construction site? Is the construction site in the room with us? Yeah, but I just don't have the level necessary to see it. I haven't unlocked it yet. My render distance is too low. I am sick. Gotta do anything for the content. I love the fact that your dual tone is screaming and it has 2 kilowatts. And my scooter is dead silent and it has 12 kilowatts. I had to flex there. I had to. It was a Xiaomi, bro. I had to flex. Bro, the federal battery is just deep fried, bro. Your battery had a cell group at 1 volt. Bro, I had 0%. Bro, I expected it to show negative. If it starts showing negative, you're all good. When I charged it yesterday, you know what the voltage difference was between my cells? 0.001. It's perfectly balanced.
The next day.
This is the only way back to the city, bro. Our best bet is to wait for the dog to go back inside and we blast past it. The dog is seeing us. Let's wait for the dog to get bored and we blast past it. Let's blast past the dog and call it a day. You ain't catching me, buddy. Stupid dog. Okay, bro, that area is peak dangerous territory. They act all tough when you're on a vehicle, but as soon as you stop, they just give up, you know? They get scared of you. Bro, I was playing with the dog, bro. It was running after me. I was like at half the throttle. Like what? 50 kilometers per hour at most. I can go 100. That dog can't go 100. Yeah, but with this scooter I shouldn't be scared of dogs. Bro, not even a bear can catch me. Not even a bear on a road can catch me. A bear gets about 60 kilometers per hour actually. Yo! Bro is full speed. How much is bro going? 64. Is this 64? Wait, bro, wait! Sharp turn, bro. God damn, bro. You do realize that if a car came from the other way, it would have completely obliterated your ass. Why is there a Lidl in the middle of no? Should we go this way? I wonder what's this way. Yo, I have a feeling this is the highway, bro. God damn, bro. Look at that BMW, bro. Okay, bro. This is the back rooms. How did we get here? Gang, what is this area, bro? Let me look on the maps real quick. I think I know this place. Oh my days, look at that dog. That dog will slime us if he gets out. We are supposed to be on the bike lane right here, but we kinda missed the entrance. Yo, what the f*** are you doing? Okay, bro, just helping the bolt. There was a banana peel on the ground. Imagine you slip on that shit. Mario Kart type trap. Late night rides with bro are everything you need in life, bro. This is all you need in life. A bro, late night rides, and a scooter fast enough to get you arrested. My hands are low-key freezing. Oh, I can't feel my hands. Yeah, bro, I have a powerful scooter that's gonna get me exactly 0 bitches. Girls don't care about your scooter, bro. What you talking about? Nah, bro. They don't think scooters are cool. Riding our little e-scooters. No. Yeah, bro, you surely can move that hunk of metal. Look at the size of this shit. You can't move this. It's massive, bro. Yeah, bro, look at the scooter. It looks so cool. Look at this Christmas tree. Bro's skin is so weak. Look, I am not bleeding. I'm fine. Are your hands that cold? Bro, my hands are colder. And my hands are not cracking. Yeah, bro, skin quality. Holy shit, man. Ow, 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 ow. What's the temperature of my controllers? Let me check. 17 degrees, bro. Bro, you can't beat the brakes on this shit.